Slikour gushes over his wifey on their anniversary. Slikour and his wife Melissa recently celebrated their one-year anniversary, and the rapper couldn't help but pour his heart out. The musician described how marriage has changed his outlook on life and how it has inspired him to be the best version of himself. So at Melissa_I am my friend, my love, it's only a year of us supporting each other to be the best version of ourselves. As long as life wakes us up every morning, it will be a lifetime task. I don't only ask for time but the love to be constantly in between us in this journey of highs and lows. Swoon.